Alright, we're back with another video. We're going to go ahead and pick out the hair and take it down with a number 2 close. We got a big transformation with a skin taper on the side. So we're going to go ahead and keep on knocking this down. I sped it up so we can go ahead and get to the back taper. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Now in this back area, I'm going to be kind of careful because that's where the cowlick is, and I want to make sure I get it nice and clean. So I went against the grain with the number 2 guard, and now I'm going to go with the number 1.5 guard open, which is equivalent to a 2 guard, and go ahead and knock it down to the desired length. Now I got my bevels, T outline trimmers, and I'm setting my first guideline in. Now I got my lever open, and I'm gonna go ahead and go up about 1 inch. This is gonna be a quick video, so go ahead and pay attention real fast. I done closed the lever, and now I'm nudging at this bottom line. Halfway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out knocking out this line. And go ahead to our next step. I don't know if you guys can see, but on the back of his neck, I guess from his previous haircut, he had like scab marks. So when you're adjusting your trimmers, make sure your trimmers are not so sharp where they go ahead and leave like a scab, or where they don't leave scabs, because you can see it where he did the entire fade or the entire lineup where it left a skin mark. Now I got the half guard. I got it open, so I didn't close it this time. I got it open. I'm doing the fading down system, so I went with the one open to go ahead and make my next guideline. Now I'm coming back with the half guard open to go ahead and clear out some of this stuff so I can go ahead and fade down. With the fading down system, we start with open, halfway to close. Now we halfway. We're going to go ahead and just start going down a little bit in the fade, going down instead of going up, and we're going to go ahead and just start blending it in and blending this line out slowly but for surely. Got the 1.5 guard open, and this will be the last guideline we put in. And go ahead, you know, his hair is growing in different directions all through the back, so as you see me start to turn the clipper to different directions to make sure I get the length all the way to the desired length. I just wanted everything to be perfect. Now I got the 1 guard open, doing that same fading down method. I am just going through it. I am raking at the hair, raking at it to get it down to the length. I'm just going just a little bit below the 1.5 guard open, so I can go ahead and get this desired look. Now with the bevels, we're gonna go ahead and just get this line up in the back. We're going to do the same steps as we did in the back, but now it's just sped up. I was told that my videos are kind of long, so I go ahead and went ahead and just made this one a lot shorter and sped it up. It's the same exact steps. I know I haven't been very consistent with my videos, but I'm going to get on it and do some things. I got some new ideas to kind of heighten my videos and make them better. So So yeah, I'll be working on that as well. Right, we're gonna go ahead with my FX3s and hit the front lineup. Start right in the middle, and we're gonna go to the right side and then back to the left side to get it as clean as possible. Straight across. Brought out my master to do detailings. I'm not really a master person. They use the Andis masters, but when I do, it is strictly for detailing. I like the longer comb on it, so it goes ahead and it gives you extra space and things. Now look at that. That's super clean. I am that boy Blade, and I am out.